Good morning. This video is to help you understand how to choose a topic for your paper. So the first step is what we went over in class. We did this research paper Webquest, which is listed as 4.1.1 Reliable Sources Brainstorming Webquest in Schoology. So first we watched a video about the crab test, all right, and how your articles should be reliable. So the C stands for it has to have credibility. The R is reliable. The A is the authority of the author. All right, if it has an author, what makes the person expert? The second A is the authority of the organization. And finally, the P is the purpose or the point of view. And finally, the P is the point of view or the purpose of the article. A good article or a good source will have at least 3 of these as indicators. All right, it may not pass all 5 for the test, but it should pass at least 3 of them. All right, next we talked about using databases, which are considered reliable. A database is a collection of information not found freely on the World Wide Web. It includes magazines, newspapers, scholarly articles, other artifacts, infographics, anything that is a paid-for collection. How is searching for it different than searching on the web? You can limit your search in a database. Okay, you can control what you're searching for. It's not just going to give you millions of answers, and also it will not eliminate things that aren't current. So you can search by date, you can search by topic, you can also search by having a full text or not. Those are the 3 tools. Where do they come from? Magazines, scholarly articles, we said that already. Anything that is a paid for type of subscription that you would not find freely on the internet. The next step on this sheet is to go to the Kingsway's databases and actually find articles that you're interested in for your topics. We did give you a topic sheet. However, you are welcome to search the databases and come up with your own topic as long as it has 2 sides. I'm going to walk you through this process. So first you need to go to the library. On your computer, you can always click the home button. You'll click Departments and Library. You'll then scroll down the library page and you will see under the New York Times, you'll see Research Tools and Research Databases on the left-hand side. Click Research Databases. Okay, before you open any database, you should have the database passwords readily available. So I'm going to open database passwords and I'll have that linked at the top. I'm now going to go back to the library research databases, and the 2 databases that I'm going to be using are opposing viewpoints and points of view. I'm going to open both. So I'm going to first open opposing viewpoints, and then I'm going to go back and open points of view. As you can see, they need passwords. So since I have my database password link open, this is the EBSCOhost one, I can just simply copy and paste Kingsway 1, and then I copy and paste hashtag Dragon 1. And I sign in. And then my other database is Kingsway. I just knew that one by heart. Okay, but actually I was already signed in. So, all right, now if you look at each database, there are tons of ways to browse topics. So if I just scroll down, I can browse by category. This is the EBSCOhost. On the Gale website, I can just click Browse Issues, and you can see how many issues they are. I would look at the list that we gave you in class because those are the ones that are proven, that actually students have done papers in the past on. To find that list, go into the Unit 4, the research paper, and you'll see Research Paper Brainstorming List. You could also look at the really simple ones at the end of this PowerPoint presentation. But here's the Research Paper Brainstorming List. and you scroll through, there are a lot of topics on here, and these are ones that have been proven to work. All right, back to how to find information. So the first thing I want to do is find the information that is an overview or a background for my paper. So I'm filling in this document with the topics that I like. You have to fill in at least 2. All right, to get the best information, you want to go to an overview of your topic. And then you want to make sure you put the works cited and the works cited link. So I'm going to go to Gale, and let's say I want to search abortion. This is the first thing that comes up, and it says overview. So this is the article I want to use just for my brainstorming to start out. I'm going to find some facts in these 2 paragraphs that I can talk about. I'm also going to find some main ideas. And notice it says support for and opposition. So I'm going to find like 1 reason for and 1 reason against, just in this overview article. All right. I'm then going to cite it. Here is my citation that will go in the works cited. And I should also have a link that goes along with this. Okay. So I would copy and paste this. And then I could also get this link and also put that one in. I'm going to use both of these. So I'm going to use this article, and I'm also going to go to EBSCOhost. I'm also going to type in abortion. And I want to select the overview one. That's going to give you my information. So getting the work cited is a little harder with this one. I have to click Cite. And then I have to scroll down and find the one that is MLA. This is the one I'm going to copy. Okay? And then I would also copy the permalink, because this will always take me back to it. So I want to copy both the works cited and this permalink so that I can automatically get back to my topic. And I'm going to put both of those in the works cited. So you should have, I would have both articles here in the works cited, and then you can look at both articles and answer the questions. Okay? So, and why are you filling out a second topic and possibly a third if you want? Because only 2 people per class may have the same topic. You may not get your first choice. So I would even fill out the third choice. All right? But make sure when you are filling out your choices that these are topics you really want to do, you're comfortable, and that you know something about them, and that there's 2 sides. Okay? There has to be a for and against side. All right. Any other questions, you can email us. Thank you. Good luck.